Hello, everyone, and happy Education Wednesday. That is what I'm calling this from this point forward. My name is Caroline Passmore. I am the founder and profit strategist of CRP Specialists, Inc. CRP Specialists is an advisory firm that specializes in skilled construction trades and that use field service applications such as Service Titan, House Call Pro, Jobber, and many of the others. We definitely specialize in those trades, but we also serve nonprofits. Because that's truly where the passion lies. Now, today we're going to talk about something that causes more confusion than anything else in the business. You look at your profit and loss statement, and it says you're profitable. The numbers look decent, maybe even strong. Then you log into your bank account, and it doesn't feel strong at all. If you've ever thought, my P&L says I'm fine, so why do I feel so broke? Then this conversation is for you. So let's clear this up right away. Your profit and loss statement measures performance. Your bank account shows timing. Those are two completely different things. Your P&L tells you how much revenue you've earned and what it costs to earn it. It does not tell you when the cash actually moved. And in the trades, timing matters more than people realize. Now, this is the first big reason that the two don't match. You might have invoiced a large job. On your P&L, that income shows up. You earned it. But if the client hasn't paid yet, that cash is sitting in accounts receivable. It exists on paper, but not in the bank. On the other side, you may have already paid for materials, labor, and subcontractors. That cash is gone from your bank, even if the revenue tied to it hasn't been collected yet. So, that gap between earnings revenue and collecting revenue is where the stress really does show up. And if you are not watching receivables and payables closely, your bank account is always going to feel tighter than your P&L suggests. The second issue I see all the time is owner draws getting confused with business performance. Now, when you take money out of the business for yourself, that does not show up as an expense on your profit and loss. It reduces equity, not profit. So you might have a profitable month on paper, but if you pulled a significant draw, your bank balance is going to drop. That doesn't mean business isn't profitable. It means cash left the account. If you're not separating those two things very clearly, it can feel like the business is failing when really it's a cash planning issue. And understanding your cash flow is absolutely a priority. I've talked about that many, many times. Now, let's talk about the piece that ties all of this together, and that would be the reconciliation. If your accounts are not reconciled regularly, then your P&L might not even be accurate. You could have duplicate expenses, missing deposits, or sync issues between your field service app and QuickBooks. When reconciliation is done consistently, your numbers reflect reality, and that's when you can actually trust your P&L. And once you can trust that P&L, you can separate what is a timing issue from what is a profitability issue. When your P&L doesn't match your bank account, it usually comes down to one of three things: money you earned but haven't collected yet, money you already spent before collecting payment, or money you took out of the business. None of those automatically mean the business is broken, but they do mean that you need visibility. The profit and loss statement is a performance report. The bank account is a cash snapshot. When you understand the difference and keep your books reconciled, you stop feeling confused by the numbers. Instead of wondering why you feel broke, you can see exactly what's happening and decide what needs to change. And that's the shift. Not panic, not guessing, just clarity. I appreciate your time, and I hope this helps. So before I go, I just wanted to also mention again that we're going to be launching our Circle community from chaos to clarity really, really soon. As most of you already know, we hoped that it would be ready by the first of the year, but we will be ready by the middle to the end of February. I will keep you updated in my weekly lives because our community is going to be where we'll be sharing these lives and giving much more detailed information than what you're receiving here. It's going to be a wonderful community for both my current and future clients, as well as other skilled construction trade business owners who simply want to learn more tips and tricks to help them understand their books. So watch for announcements coming soon, and thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a truly amazing day.